BP falls out of the top three, OPEC eyes further production cuts, and the trucking industry is taking a serious look at liquefied natural gas. All this and more on today's Energy Scout News. Hello and welcome back to Energy Scout News and Information. I'm Red Byers. Chevron has booted BP from the list of top three oil majors. BP's been hit hard with problems with its Russian operations and currency weaknesses. The British company slipped to number 3 after Shell took the number 2 slot in recent years. But as always on top, ExxonMobil is still listed as the largest international oil company. Natural gas continues to fall as stockpiles increase and economic worries continue. Stockpiles have passed the 5-year average. Natural gas has hit its lowest point since September of 2007, and unless October ends on an upswing, gas is heading for its 4th month of declines. That would be the longest downturn since 2001. Oil continues to slide, but don't write off OPEC's production cut just yet. Analysts say the cut took some time to correct oil's price swing. Now, we could see some changes later as the year as OPEC members continue to find a way to set floor for the price of crude. Now, some experts predict crude could stay somewhere around $60 to $70 into 2009, barring extraordinary circumstances. And Canada gets a boost from unconventional gas plays, but first, today's mergers and acquisitions. ATP Oil & Gas has agreed to sell some of its UK North Sea assets to a subsidiary of EDF for roughly $430 million. Transatlantic Petroleum plans to make an all-cash takeover offer for Incremental Petroleum. And finally, AkzoNobel has purchased Enviroline from Industrial Environmental Coatings Corporation. On the oil sands front, UTS Energy is looking at delaying an upgrader for its Fort Hills project. Now, the company cited that the cost involved in current financial problems in global markets. According to President and CEO William Roach, he stated that this will allow more time for the equity and debt markets to recover at a time when we are placing the additional funding required for the project. Canada's natural gas production jumped to nearly 4 billion cubic feet a day in the third quarter of 2008. A large portion of that increase came thanks to higher output from North American unconventional gas plays. Production rose in both the United States as well as Canada, and that helped offset declines from conventional properties. The commercial trucking industry is taking renewed interest in LNG-powered engines. Kentworth, Peterbilt, and Sterling recently unveiled vehicles designed to run off liquefied natural gas. So far, these vehicles have been used primarily in fleets. Now that means that most LNG refueling stations are located on private lots and aren't open to the public. But efforts are underway to increase LNG fueling stations in the western United States, and California expects to help fund public access facilities. And that's all for today's Energy Scout News. For more information on these stories and more, be sure to check out the news section on our site. And remember, if you have any news from around the energy industry, you can email us at news@energyscout.com. As always, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.